MGL, SM Ranade, who's CFO, who joins in to talk more. Mr. Ranade, great to have you on the show. What have been the drivers for seeing double-digit volume growth this quarter?
Multiple factors have taken place. In fact, in almost in all customer categories, be it CNG, domestic, industrial, commercial, the volume growth has been appreciable, particularly year-on-year growth when we are talking about. Almost in all the sectors it is high digits, almost touching double digits. CNG has grown well because there has been good amount of conversions which have taken place in case of auto rickshaws. If you recollect, around 1.5 years back, the permit requirement which was there earlier in order to launch any new taxi or auto rickshaw in the MMR region, that permission requirement was abolished, and as such there was free licensing, we can say. The effect of that could be seen that the conversions of auto rickshaws and taxis have gone up well. Another factor which has helped in CNG is better conversions in case of taxi aggregators like Ola and Ubers. In case of domestic, we have done additional connections, and similarly in case of restaurant category, the number of connections have happened well. All these put together, there has been an appreciable jump in the volume growth.
Has there been an impact of the appreciation in the currency as far as your realizations go?
It has, some impact was obviously there, but when we are talking about volume, obviously it has nothing to do with exchange rate. Whereas in case of price realizations, yes, there has been some movements which has taken place because of the exchange rate.
Is there an element of more awareness regarding air pollution, etc., which is also triggering conversion of regular fuels to CNG?
What is happening? I think definitely there is a consciousness about the air pollution aspect. Everybody is conscious of that. The talk of even EVs or whatever it may be, it clearly indicates that everybody is pretty conscious about the air pollution problem which all of us are facing. Apart from that, you must be pretty well aware the value proposition which Mahanagar Gas offers, particularly in the CNG category, that is the price at which CNG is made available vis-a-vis prices of definitely petrol and even as compared to the diesel. The attractive proposition helps people to convert onto CNG. So the growth momentum which has started will continue in case of CNG. Apart from taxis and auto rickshaws, we are quite hopeful that the recent movement in case of app-based taxi aggregators is going to help us to increase the volume growth further in CNG sector. Whereas as regards PNG, that is domestic or household customer category, people today have understood the advantages of PNG, pipe natural gas, over historically what people were using LPG bottles. It is now PNG is available 24/7. It's a pretty safe as compared to storing LPG bottles within your house. You have also not required to face the hassles of changing the cylinders and replacement issues. As a result, the potential which is available in case of household customer category is also offering good tremendous growth opportunity for us.
Right. How is your expansion going in Ranade district, which you recently won in the bidding rounds?
I think that historically we have been operating in all these segments. So obviously in GA1 and GA2, that is our existing license areas, we will continue to expand further. And there is a new area called Ranade district which has been relatively recently acquired under bidding round of our regulator, the PNGRB. We have now started receiving critical permissions to lay infrastructure in this Ranade district, which will also help us to grow our business in the coming years. Of course, a couple of years will be required to put up the infrastructure in Ranade, but the moment parallelly new airport will come up in the Ranade area, also some other developments like housing complexes and 5-star hotels will start coming up once the new airport comes up. We are pretty sure even the Ranade in maybe 3 to 4 years down the line, it will start contributing to the business.